Trading the Manchester bustle, finding our flow. There is nothing quite like hitting the trails, and then this view. But the real reward? Checking into our hideout house at the Cranleigh Boutique, an exclusive little sun-trapped balcony just for us. Then it's straight to the star of the show, dimming the mood lighting and sinking into pure indulgence, followed by a decadent dinner date. Sip, soak it all in, and celebrate.